guys, so So we got this little guy. He's a chicken, and he makes the best noise in the world. All right, guys, try not to get annoyed. Ready? Make sure your okay, so your parents might be like, turn that video off right now. That's super annoying, or just turn it off because it's annoying. All right? So you can put you can just turn the volume down, and if you're home alone, I dare you to put the volume all the way up. Okay. Stop. So yeah, that toy. It's not a toy. So yeah, I wanted to make a video about. that. So okay, as you can see, he's blue. He has a little chain right here. It says "Squeeze me." I don't know if you can see that. I don't know. Yeah, it says "Squeeze me." That's red feet. Does not sound like a chicken at all. By the way, I'm gonna put this guy away. Guys, I'm gonna play some music, right? It's gonna come out of my mouth in 3, 2, 1. Okay. So yeah, that was it. That was the me. Hey. Okay, so yeah, me and Gavin didn't die. The person didn't knock on the door at all. Our latest video that we made, that I made, please watch this. That video was about like memories, like the good old days, kind of like that. Cause me and Gavin can't hang out as much anymore, cause it's like, cause COVID-19. And you know what? It's the enemy. COVID-19's the enemy. Alright, guys. I'll see you later. Maybe later today. I don't know. Okay, bye.